Grandma's here for you every payday. Grandma get money from my Social Security, $25. By the time you'll be a year old, you're gonna have $100. Ooh!
Try again.
Let's see.
Pick her up,
Let's
Mom.
see.
Pick her up and put her over there.
Come on.
No, pick her up and put her over there.
Look what she... Oh my God. Let's turn around here. Let's turn around. Let's go down here. Down
Careful
here.
with her head.
Oh, so. Go down there, pretty. Right here. This is your money, see? We'll put them in the piggy bank. Go down there. Go down there.
So is she moving a lot today?
Oh yeah, she's really crawling.
Wait.
Come here, Tutut. Come here.
Go on the other side, Mom.
Come here.
No much game.
Tutut, come here. Come here. Look what Grandma got for you. See?
Money. Go for the money.
Come here. Go get the piggy bank, Dada. Come on. Come on here.
His little legs moving.
Oh my
Go, Critter, go.
Move him back, Mom.
It's too short.
Move him back.
It's too short,
No,
pretty.
move him back a little bit more. Move him back a little bit more.
No. We don't want her to discourage. It's moving all the time.
Hey, money's a moving target.
Come on, pretty. Come on, I know. Wow, this is something that I will always remember. You know? She started crawling. When did she start crawling, Iha?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Get the kitty.
Go get the kitty. Oh boy. Oh, she looks back in her money. Right here, Tutut, come here. Right there. Come on. Auntie Pam is just going crazy about you watching your video. Yeah. Boy, look at that.
Yay! Good girl. Yay! Give Auntie Pamela a smile. Get the kitty. Good girl. Yay! Yay! Boy, there's nothing stopping her now. Look at that.
Oh, she's going.